Hello guys and welcome back to a new video with me. So I'm shooting this video early morning. So wait. There are a lot of questions. So today's topic is all about cabin crew grooming. Yes, in this topic I'm not gonna show you any makeup tutorial or any hairstyle tutorial. I'm just gonna list down some basic grooming tips for interview. So guys, those who don't know me, my name is Shweta and I'm a cabin crew. I make different type of videos related to cabin crew life and jobs and other exciting weird videos. To follow that, please subscribe my channel if you are new, and always a hearty welcome to my small YouTube family. So first comes to the hair. Your hair should be neatly tied in a bun, and if you have too long hair, then talking about the long hair, it should be tied in a bun neatly, and no hair strands should be falling on your face like this. You can see it is small fringes, so it is coming here. So there should be no hair strands falling on your face, and the bun should be very neat. You should put minimum of 1 or 2 pins, maximum of 3 to 4 pins. And if it is too small, like if your hair is still here, then you can keep it open, but it should not be beyond the collars. So that's a airline regulation. If it is above the collars, then you can straighten it and go. If it is this much, so y'all can say that I am not being able to tie a bun. So not a problem. Please tie a pony very neatly. If you see your hair is very frizzy or something, put some aloe vera gel or hairspray and then go to the interview, because your hair should really look very neat. And when you're tying the bun, put a bun net and some clips. If you'll have fringes, not a problem. It's okay to have fringes be above the eyebrow level, and it should be very neat, like not that यहाँ से एक निकल रहा वहाँ से एक निकल रहा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be very neat. Should straighten them if it is possible, then go for the interview. Now second point comes makeup. So yes, makeup is important, but not going to a party or a marriage anniversary or a marriage function, something like that. Your makeup should be very subtle, very sober and very calm type of makeup look you should carry on. So I'll prefer you, if you are very puzzled with your foundation, please choose a foundation of your skin tone which should not be very dark और ना ही ज़्यादा बहुत light हो जाए. So you can go to a mall or a shop where you will get all those foundation of your skin tone. Apply it over here. Please don't apply it over here, because यहाँ पे apply करने के बाद ना पता नहीं चलता है कि यहाँ पे apply करके तो match हो जाता है, mix हो जाता है, but when you apply it here, then the tone gets different. So apply it over here, let it settle, let it blend for a time. उसके बाद if it has blended properly with your face color, then that's your skin tone foundation. So you can use that. You can use concealer if you have dark spots. It's not mandatory, but yes, eye is very mandatory. Your eyebrows are very mandatory. Please make your eyebrows and then go and put some light shade of eyeshadow, not like very peachy color or very reddish color or bluish color, nothing like that, matching with your shirt or something, nothing like that. It should be very subtle. You can use a nudish color, the beige color or the peach color, light peach color, that can be eyeshadow color, and your eyeliner, mascara. If you wish to wear kajal, that's up to you. Now comes to the lips. Lips should not be very bold, like you have put a very vampy or bold red color or a maroon color. Don't do that. It will not make you look calm or peaceful, but it will make you look very bold, and please don't use it, because your appearance also matters in an interview. So wear a nude color lipstick or a lipstick which suits with your skin tone, not very dark, very subtle and very nude. Now comes the uniform. I'll give some pictures over here of the uniform. So the uniform should be very neat and clean, ironed. You should wear a shirt, like collar wala shirt aisa. That can be white, light blue, light pink, light yellow, light green. Not like that very neonish green, light green types. ऐसा नहीं है. Very sober baby colors, the baby light green, the baby blue, baby pink, and that too in a very light tone. Like हाँ बस लगे कि एक pinkish tone है उसमें shirt में, but nothing more than that. So your shirt should be that, the blouse, and you can wear a coat if possible, or it's not mandatory that you have to wear a coat. You can go this normal with a shirt, and you have to wear a formal pencil skirt. Now the skirt color, it should be black, navy blue, brown, these three colors, not more than that. But when you're opening the website of the airline and applying for the interview date, and if they have mentioned the color of the skirt and the shirt and the type of uniform, you have to wear that only and go, because it will leave an impression. If you don't have that, please buy it, because it will also help you in other interview days or other training days. So buy it and wear. I'm sorry for my throat, I got cold a bit. Wear a stocking, that's must for the interview. The stocking should not be other varieties of colors. It should be black or navy blue. These two color options you can have with your stockings. Done with the stockings, it should not be torn or worn out. कट गया है थोड़ा stockings तो उसको manage कर लो, ऐसा नहीं होता है. You have to carry an extra pair of stockings with you, so that अगर कहीं से भी थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गया stocking तो you can immediately go and change, because that's very important. So for the shoes, it's not that you have to wear a stiletto or wedge heel or pencil heel. It should be a minimum heel, basic formal shoes which a business attire. So now comes to the accessories. So I have to tell you about the accessories that one of my subscriber commented that Dee, you wear a tabiz over here, is it allowed? Because I have a similar over here too. So my dear girl, it's not allowed. I am wearing it because now I'm not going to fly that frequent because of this pandemic. So that is the reason I'm wearing this tabiz. Otherwise, whenever I go for flying, either I change the location of it. It should be in a hidden place where no one can see. Either you can wear it on your waist or I open it. Which you must wear on your interview day is a watch. The watch should be very subtle, not like the dial बहुत बड़ा है and it's having a lot of stones in it, a lot of decorative things over it. Pink color का है, blue color का है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. It should be very sober. You can wear that steel color, the silver color watch with a small dial, or you can wear the black leather belt watch with a small dial, because you have to always keep in mind that guys, you're going for an interview, not for a party. You have to wear a earring. It should not be jhumka or it should not be something very latkan wala types. आपको छोटा pearl earring पहनना है जिसको studs बोला जाता है. It may be very small and you have to wear that pearl earrings or a stone earring. स्टोन का होता है, डायमंड जैसा दिखता है, नॉट द डायमंड वन, पर डायमंड जैसा दिखता है वो स्टोन का इयरिंग्स आप पहन सकते हो. दैट आल्सो वेरी स्मॉल. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू हैव अ रिंग इन योर हैंड. सो नाउ कम्स टू द हैंड्स. This was also a question given by my subscriber that I have long nails, what to do with it. So hands should be totally nicely moisturized and it should not be dry over somewhere and then moisturized over somewhere, nothing like that. It should be totally moisturized. This type of nails like me, small, it's not a problem. You can wear the shimmer nail polish. I'll give you the options of 3 nail polish over here. If you have the small one, you can wear the shimmer one, and other you can wear a white color or a peach color nail polish. Or you can do French manicure, that's best. 2 long nails, I'll recommend you to please cut it down and make it short to a minimal length. Apply nail polish, please keep it very maintained. And please file the nails if you're not done a French manicure. Please file your nails before you go for the interview nicely. So now I come to the most important topic, is personal hygiene. Yes, that also matters. Please wear a good perfume. Before wearing a perfume, being a girl, I'll suggest you to wear a body roll-on, so which you can wear underneath your costume, and then you can put on the perfume. And the perfume should be very mild. Keep that perfume bottle in your bag, so that whenever you feel like okay, you're sweating or there's an odor coming, so wear on the perfume again. There's nothing to be shy about this matter, because we are human beings, we sweat, we smell, but that depends on us how we maintain ourselves. Now coming to the dental hygiene, yes, please keep after mint. It's not necessary that you have to buy aftermint. You can also keep elaichi, long, or soft, which you get in home easily, because you should be very presentable that day. And ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना कि you're smelling or you're stinking from your mouth and आपको कोई आके नहीं बोलेगा कि see you're smelling, there's an odor in your body. They'll speak among themselves. So that's not good to hear. Okay, so it's better go prepared very well. And yes, some basic etiquettes is when you sneeze or when you burp or yawn, it's a basic human nature. Please put your hand like this and then do whatever you want to do. I'm sorry or excuse me. Actually, I'm sorry is not a perfect word as said by my instructor, because you're not sorry, you didn't do any mistake that you're saying sorry. So please excuse yourself. So that's it for the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Please take care. Be safe. Bye. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.